Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Matt with Green Bar Trading here. So what I'm about to show you guys is a clear example of what a supply zone is. This is not resistance. Before I get into the video, hit the thumbs up for me. And if you are new, consider subscribing to the channel. All right, so let's get right into it. I literally wasn't even going to make this video, but after seeing how perfect this thing worked out, and in our Discord, calling it out when I got into puts up here at this 238 level, I felt like this was a good learning example for you guys that are watching the video. If you are interested in the Discord, that link will be down in the description. So what did I trade and what am I still holding? So I got into a put contract right here at about 237.50, right in this choppy area right here. Now we can just zoom in. You could just tell that it was getting exhausted. And that was the exact spot in my trade plan that I wanted to get short from, especially if that exhaustion was taking place, and it was. So got filled here, and we saw that continuation down. Now, what is a supply zone? It's when you see these really big rejections, right? So there's a lot of orders. Every time it goes up, it gets sold off. And you can just see here, after the earnings gap up, right into 238, pulled on back. Tried to come back up, pulled all the way on back, came back up to that level, and just like touching a hot stove, just pulled back immediately. Went up again, pulled back immediately. That is a supply zone in its perfect definition. And we saw that work out today really, really well. And I came on Discord right around here, right around 1 o'clock, telling everyone that I got into NVDA puts for 10 days out. I wanted more of a bigger trade. I did not want this to be a scalp day trade. I was looking, and I'll show you guys back on the charts, but I'm looking for this to go down to about that 208 area, which is where the gap will fill when earnings came out. Now, we did get a little bit of luck after hours with NVIDIA. We go into the news here, you can see that NVIDIA after hours files for a 10 billion mixed securities shelf offering. Now, what that's going to do is that's going to further dilute that stock, okay? The whole reason why NVIDIA keeps getting slammed down here and can't break out before this news came out is because the valuation is so historically, even for NVIDIA, way, way, way overvalued. It was just got, a very nice run during the first month of the year. A lot of stuff that we've seen happen with a lot of these stocks that got hurt really bad last year. It had a nice run up. This is that gap I'm talking about after earnings. All right, you can see here, there's a big gap here now on the daily chart. What I'm looking for is this area, right? I think that it's definitely possible for this to break down and fill that gap. Now, I have 10 days on my options. The way that I trade options, when it was up here at 237, 238, that next option was 235 when I was getting in. So I like to go one out of the money and take a longer duration so I hold on to my premium. And that's what we did. So that's what I see here with NVIDIA. Now, obviously, anything is possible, but just taking this trade off of that supply zone is why we got short. And a supply zone is that quick move. A quick move every time it hits. Now, the same thing can be for demand, right? A demand zone would be if this was just inverted. Let's just say this chart was inverted. This would be, and all I did was put a minus sign in front of NVIDIA. This down here would be a demand zone. Every time it comes down, rips up. Every time it comes back down, rips up, comes back down, and rips up. All right, so that's just as simple as that. I hope you guys gained value from this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, guys.